so we just have to keep singing. Oh, let's see. I sent this song to the guys earlier, so I was like, oh, I want to sing this. And they're like, okay. Woo! You guys having a great time? Yeah. That's so amazing. Come on, get back up now. Listen, the man I got, he's a thoroughbred. He knows just what to do with me. His kind of loving, just my style. When we make love, you know it drives me wild. While we're yelling and screaming, you know I'm putting footprints on the ceiling. It's kind of love, it's heaven bound. So don't back down when you're getting down. He's at my door, I let him in. I said, oh, wait, baby, I wanna do love. Y'all been yelling and screaming, you know I'm putting footprints on the ceiling. To the bridge, y'all. Listen. Just like a good gun, like a shot, I go home wild and I just can't stop. My feet shoot straight up in the air. I'm hanging from the ceiling like a chandelier. We don't stop what we can do. My whole place is gonna be ruined. My bed is falling, my walls are weak. Sooner or later, we're gonna speak up. While we're yelling and screaming, you know I'm leaving footprints on the ceiling. Yeah, come on. Come on, Bob, come on. Give it up for Bob. Go to the bridge. Just like a moon in a shiny shop, I go home wild and I just can't stop. My feet shoot straight up in the air. I'm hanging from the ceiling like a chandelier. If we don't stop, what we can do? My whole place is gonna be ruined. My bed is falling, my walls are weak. Sooner or later, we're gonna spring the leak. While we're yelling and screaming and willing and dealing, I know I'm leaving footprints on the ceiling. Come on, take yourself out. Now listen, I know you all don't sweat the small stuff because you all are just out there enjoying. But y'all, I just be doing anything, and Brian just caught it like right there. And I love you, Brian. You were just like, yes, I did. You were, look at you. Come on. But thank you all so much for dancing. Woo! Oh, thank you. Let me slow it down a little bit. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but huh? Yeah, let's do that one. I like that one. I don't know. Let's just play it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's try it. Back streets and C. Sure. Slow blues. You know my baby told me not so long ago. You know he said, I love you call, baby, but I got to go. That was too much for me. So now I walk the back streets at night. Oh, it hurt me so damn bad, baby. When that man told me goodbye, yeah. And he kept talking, you know what he said? He said another reason, girl, to make me want to leave. He said you ain't got enough of nothing, nothing to keep it real. That was too much for me, baby. So I walk the back streets at night, crying. I gotta give y'all some love over here too. Well, it hurt me so damn bad, baby. When that man, when he told me goodbye, I cried a little something like this. Come on, mama. Sometimes the music just speaks so loud. Now, can you all humor me for a minute? All right. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, you hear boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Yanni, I know you playing bass. You're not back there on guitar, but Yanni, can you give us a little bit of bass back there? Do you mind? Now just listen, just listen, y'all, just listen. I walk the back streets tonight. Yeah, right. Oh, it hurt me so damn bad, baby. When that man went and told me goodbye, but I kept the ring, y'all. Yeah.
As you can see, we're just getting warmed up. I'm going to take a quick pause for the applause. We invite you to go over and check out some of the new CDs. And we'll be right back with our second show. And we hope you'll stick and stay and don't go away. Have you enjoyed the music so far tonight? There you go. A whole bunch more to play for you. Thank you. We'll be right back.